One hormone decides whether you show up calm and focused or wired and exhausted, and it makes all the difference in your performance. I'm Deborah Maragopoulos, a nurse practitioner who helps high performers protect their edge by balancing their hormones at the root. That one hormone is cortisol, and it's controlled by your hypothalamus. When your hypothalamus functions optimally, it regulates cortisol to help you focus, stay energized, and perform at your best. But when your hypothalamus is overwhelmed by stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, cortisol goes haywire. Too much and you feel wired and anxious, too little and you crash hard. Executives often think they're just pushing through stress, but what they're really doing is riding cortisol highs and lows, and eventually it catches up with them. Cortisol's job is to release stored sugar to fuel the fight or flight response. If you're not expending that energy, your body repackages the extra sugar as fat. High levels of insulin and glucose in response to erratic cortisol is highly inflammatory, causing gut inflammation, joint and muscle pain, brain fog, and compromising your immunity. The key is supporting your hypothalamus so it can keep cortisol balanced. That's when you can perform without burning out. Your stress hormone makes or breaks your career. If you want to perform at your best, start at the root. Genesis Gold was designed to support your hypothalamus so you can stay focused, stay resilient, and thrive under pressure. The link is below.